welcome back to another video. It's your old man Mark Bryce. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and open up this bad boy right here you see beside me, Spoiler King. I've had this package here for over 2 months, maybe a little bit 2 months and a half. I received this in the mail when I just started my kitchen project. And as you already know, you follow my channel, you know that took quite a while to get that from beginning to end and then edit that video. So now that kitchen project is done, and now it's time to do another car project. Well, let's go ahead and open it up. The material of this item is polyurethane. I think I'm saying that correctly. So it's like a flexible material. So with that being said, oh wow, they even, look at this. Now, I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. This item, I'm gonna put the image here. I got this off eBay. This was a little bit over $100. I messaged the company and I told them that I was making a YouTube video. I told them that I was gonna buy your product. I'm gonna check it out, give my full feedback on it, and I'm gonna teach people how to paint this. You see, as I mentioned, this item right here, oh, I see it already has a 3M tape. It's like a black color. You can keep it shiny with some Armor All. I think that's what it's called. It's like a liquid. It keeps plastic very shiny. Now, it looks cool now when you put that type of liquid, but once that liquid dries, it kind of dries the material. It gives it kind of like that matte gray finish, and I don't like that. So I'm still debating if I should paint this or not, but I will be opening this as you see it on camera. I'm gonna put images of what I saw on eBay from the company Spoiler King. Now, you might not like this. I love it. I love the style of it. They have different versions, and they did not give me this for free, but they did give me a discount on it. So I'm not gonna tell you guys, hey, this is the product to buy. This is what you need to buy. And in the back of my head, I'm like, yeah, because I got it for free. No, I did not get this for free. I did pay for this at a discount. Now, this is the one I like in particular. There were about 4 different versions, but the one that has like the, you know what? As I'm talking, I should be opening it up. Alright, sorry about that. I had to zoom out just because you couldn't see the clear picture of everything. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I don't even remember where I ended, but I'm gonna talk about the material of this product here. Now, this is polyurethane. It's the same material that you would see at a garden area or to keep the mulch away from certain areas of the yard. Now that's the same material. Keep in mind, you can paint this, but you're painting polyurethane. This is a flexible material. So if you are going to paint this, keep in mind there might be a chance that you are going to crack the paint over time. My car is dark, so I may not have to paint this. Over time, maybe the sun might damage this where it's gonna look ugly. It's gonna give that gray, matte gray finish. Then I'll be thinking about painting this. But let's go ahead about the packaging here. This, I gotta talk, Spoiler King. I'm a man of my word. I'm gonna make a video talking about your product. Good or bad, right? I'm just gonna be honest here. Your box. You didn't have to put Spoiler King and advertise it, but you did. And I know, coming from a person who also sells online, has products, this costs money to put your brand on a box. That's one. The thickness of this box, very good. I give this box a 10 out of 10. It's heavy. That might make your product heavier. Shipping might cost more because you're using a thick box. So all the viewers out there, you have to keep this in mind. They're protecting their product. You gave stickers. Did you have to? No. You gave this. Did you have to? Did you have to send me a license plate? You didn't have to. Now, I'm gonna have to say something here. Maybe this was all given to me because I had mentioned that I was gonna make a video of your product. I paid about $96 for this item. I think it was about $130. They gave me a discount. Was all this because I said I was gonna make a video? I don't know. But I had to give this product the packaging, like this one, for example. Here, your bag that contains this item says your brand on it. You didn't have to put that there. I know this costs money, but you did. That's awesome. So everyone who's planning on buying one of these are the stuff that you may get in your packaging. And if it does, kudos. It comes with an alcohol swab to put on your vehicle. What else does it come with? It came with an adhesion promoter. It's somewhere here. This is where you're going to put on your vehicle, apply it for the car. Then the instruction manual. It's colored. Awesome. It shows you photos and tells you what you should do, what you shouldn't do. This is awesome. Everything that you have here, this is awesome. So anyone who is in the market for spoiler, gotta do it. You gotta go to Spoiler King. There's a reason. I remember buying something from them over 10 years ago. It was from a Hyundai Sonata 2010. I think I purchased it back in 2011. Yeah, it was in 2011. I bought it from them. Did it come with all this? No. Maybe they were just starting. I don't know how old this company is, but the way they're going, the way they're showing love to their customers, that's pretty cool. So if you're doing this to all your customers, Spoiler King, awesome, 10 out of 10. But if you're only doing this to me, well then, you know, the only way we'll find out is if a customer who's watching this video buys the same thing or something similar and doesn't get any of this, well then that's up to them, you know, that's up to them to decide. But they're not buying your spoiler to get all this. They're buying your spoiler because they like your spoiler and they want it on their vehicle. All right, so a better close-up on the spoiler here. This is the design that I like. Very clean too. So now in this clip, I couldn't show you this on the last clip because my information was right here on the holes. But now that we're in close counter here, I can show you what I'm about to reveal here and the reason why there's holes here. Again, Spoiler King did not have to do this, but they did, and more power, more kudos to them. The reason why these holes are here is because you want that spoiler nice and warm. You don't want it hot, you just want it warm. So the warmer it is, the more flexible it is. You don't want it hot to handle. So make sure that if you're about to do this by using those holes, make sure that everything's removed. The plastic, your receipt, anything that you do not want it to get warm should not be in this box. So once that bag, because that spoiler comes in a bag, remove the bag and make sure it's just a spoiler in here. Go ahead and warm it up. All right, it says it advises you to do it for at least 10 minutes. I will not do this for 10 minutes. I'm probably only going to do it for like a minute, for 30 seconds. I'm going to pause for 30 seconds, feel it out. All right, so it's been about a minute on and off because I keep pausing it every 30 seconds. On the top of my spoiler, this is the one that's on the car. You can see this is bird poop. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take some baby wipes or just some type of cloth. And then we're gonna go ahead, alcohol, and we're just going to clean it off as easy as it is. Now, what you're doing is here, you are removing, what you're trying to do is remove all the dust and all the debris from the area that you're going to stick this on. Show you why I did this. So I put a painter's tape onto the vehicle. I know it's not going to ruin the finish of my vehicles, the paint of my vehicle, so I'm good here. Now, from like I mentioned, the groove here to right here, that is where I want to put my lip spoiler. So I already measured it. From here to here is 36 inches. Right down the middle is 18 inches. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure 18 inches so then at least I know that's the center. Then I'm gonna do the same thing with the 3M tape. I'm going to put that onto the bottom of the lip spoiler so then I know they both align precise. All right, so I have not peeled off the 3M tape, it's still there. But what I did is I just wanna show you this area right here. This is the painter's tape. If I go this way, the light is gonna bother. But that is the center. So I put it here and here to line up perfectly. So I know that once I peel off the 3M tape, I know where to align. So I just took this out of the box that I showed you with the holes that Spoiler King provides. But it took me so long to take out the 3M wax paper from the 3M tape here that I feel like it cooled off. So I highly suggest the next time, Spoiler King, if you're listening, the red wax paper, if it could be a little longer than the 3M tape. So then when you peel off the wax film, it just comes out easily and you don't have to keep peeling between the 3M tape and the wax paper. All right, there you go. Now, again, I'm not done. What I have to do is I'm gonna take painter's tape and apply some pressure from the spoiler towards the factory spoiler just for a couple of, I would say for like 24 hours. So I'm not gonna drive the vehicle. Show you how it looks. I removed the painter's tape. That looks beautiful. I love this style. Nice. All right, everybody. I'll catch you on the next one.